A cow works hard to cultivate rice. With a lot of care, the rice grows and ripens. But one day, some birds come and eat the rice. The cow feels very sad. He later calls the police. The police come and chase the birds away and help the cow. An elephant works hard to cultivate bananas. Eventually, the bananas ripen. Later, some evil monkeys eat the bananas. The elephant is in a lot of trouble. The elephant calls the police, and the police come and arrest the monkeys. Please like the video for the elephant's sake. A deer can jump 23 feet in one leap, and a tiger can jump 22 feet. So, mathematically, a tiger should never be able to catch a deer. But in reality, the opposite happened. The deer is caught in the hands of a tiger. What is the reason for this? Because for nothing else, a deer sometimes looks back while running to understand how far ahead it is of the tiger. And that is the end for a deer. That is why you should never look back on the way. Whatever the mistakes and blunders, moving forward with firm steps is the name of getting closer to your dream. Subscribe at least for the deer.
Please subscribe!
This skinny cow and her owner come to the city for a stroll. Then some people start making fun of her skinny condition. Feeling sad, the cow and her owner go to a green grassland. There, the cow's owner feeds the cow lots of grass, eats almonds himself, and also feeds almonds to the cow. Slowly, the bodies of both start getting better. Then they come back to the city. People are surprised to see them. Have you not liked this owner yet? A boy meets his mother and asks Mom, "Why do I have a scar on my face?" The mom explained that when they were little, his older brother mistakenly hurt him. While they were fighting, the boy got furious and ran to his older brother. "You are evil. You did this to me. I hate you." Boys grew up not talking to each other. Their mother died without reconciling them. The brothers married and had children, yet they didn't speak to each other, but they missed each other. The older brother will say to himself, "If only my brother would let me see him and apologize." The younger one will say, "If only he will come and say, 'I'm sorry, I'll forgive him.'" Many years passed. Nothing changed. One day, the younger brother's phone rang. "Hello. I'm your brother's wife. He's very sick in the hospital. I pray he gets well," said the brother. But he didn't visit. Then one day, news came to him. His older brother has a stroke. He could neither speak nor move by the time his brother arrived. He had passed away. He left him a note. "Dear brother, I miss you so much. My greatest regret in life was not having the courage to say, 'I'm sorry.' Let our children love each other and never be like us. This is my dying wish.